안녕하세요. Hey guys, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. This is 5th lesson of my Korean alphabet curriculum. If you missed previous ones, you can come to my playlist that is called Korean alphabet and try to learn from lesson 1. Before you try this lesson, I recommend you to download free writing material through the link in the description. We are learning Korean alphabets that is called Hangul. We already learned 8 basic vowels and 9 consonants so far. In this video, I'm gonna talk about aspirated consonant. Let's get started. We are gonna start from these consonants. Did you remember them? They are k, t, p, s, right? I pronounce them very quietly because their sounds are very soft. So I will call them soft consonant from now on. Aspirated consonant means it has stronger and more tough sound than soft consonant. And these aspirated consonants looks very similar with soft consonant because the mouth shape of soft consonant and aspirated are exactly the same. I will explain one by one. First one is this. It looks similar with soft consonant k. It has just one more horizontal line in the middle and its sound is stronger and more tough than soft consonant. Soft consonant is k, but aspirated consonant is k. Can you notice the difference? Some students told me, actually many students told me that, hey teacher, did you mean that soft consonant is voiced and aspirated consonant is voiceless like English alphabet G and K? No, I didn't mean that. Soft consonant and aspirated consonant both are voiceless sound. The difference between them is amount of air when you burst out. When I say soft consonant ka sound, I just breathe a small amount of air softly, ka. But when I speak aspirated consonant, ka, I have to use a lot of air, like bursting, ka. Okay? Compare to listen to them carefully. Soft consonant, ka, aspirated, ka, ko, ko, 고, 구, 개, 개, 기, 크. Now let's practice to pronounce. I know it is not easy if you see the aspirated consonant for the first time, so I want to give you a tip how to practice to pronounce aspirated consonants. All you need to practice is a napkin or kitchen towel. This napkin will show us how much air we burst out. When I say soft consonant with vowel ka, this napkin is shaken a bit. But if I say aspirated consonant, this napkin is shaken quite a lot because I use a lot of air to pronounce aspirated consonants. Let us practice together with basic vowels. Ka, ko, 고, 구, 개, 기, 크. If you are still confused, that is okay, it is your first time. Okay, keep this napkin, we will use it again. And the order of writing is draw a curved line just like soft consonant k, and then draw a horizontal line in the middle. That is aspirated consonant k. Now it is your turn to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Good! Let's move on to the next consonant. Second consonant is this. It looks similar soft consonant t. It has just one more horizontal line in the middle, and it sounds like t, stronger and more tough sound. So don't think soft consonant is the same as D in English and an aspirated consonant t is like English alphabet T. That is a wrong explanation. They both are voiceless, so just focus on how much air you burst out. Small air for soft consonant and lots of air for aspirated consonant. Listen to aspirated consonant compared to soft consonant. Soft consonant, 다. Aspirated, 타, 더, 터, 도, 토, 두, 투, 대, 태, 대, 태, 디, 티, 드, 트, Now we are gonna practice pronouncing aspirated consonant. Grab your napkin close to your mouth. You will speak soft consonant first and then aspirated consonant with basic vowels. When you pronounce aspirated consonant, you have to use lots of air, so this napkin will be shaken a lot. 다, 타, 더, 터, 도, 토, 두, 투, 대, 태, 대, 태, 디, 티, 드, 트. Well done. Remember, it is your first time. Most of you guys need to practice more. The order of writing is very simple. Draw a soft consonant D first and draw a horizontal line in the middle. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Well done, guys. Let's move on to the next consonant. Next one is this. Did you remember soft consonant P? And this aspirated consonant sounds like stronger. It is P. Mouth shape is exactly the same and both are voiceless. So don't think soft consonant is B in English and aspirated is P in English. That is wrong explanation. If you think like that, that idea makes you confused to pronounce them correctly. Only difference between them is the amount of air when you burst out. When you say aspirated consonant P, you should use more air than soft consonant. Listen carefully and try to distinguish them. Soft consonant 파, aspirated 파, 버, 퍼, 보, 포, 부, 푸, 배, 패, 배, 패, 비, 피, 브, 프. Okay, let's practice together. Hold your napkin close to your mouth and look at this napkin when you pronounce. Soft consonant make it shaken a bit and aspirate consonant to shake it a lot. Let's try to read them with basic vowels. 파, 파, 버, 퍼, 보, 포, 부, 푸, 배, 패, 배, 패, 비, 피, 브, 프. Now I'm explaining how to write aspirated consonant P. Draw a horizontal line first, and from the 1/3 of the line, draw a vertical line. And draw another vertical line from 2/3 of the horizontal line side by side. And then draw another horizontal line at the bottom. That is aspirated consonant P. Now it is your turn to write. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's move on to the last one for this lesson. That is the last aspirated consonant. It looks very similar with soft consonant T, right? It has just one more tiny line on top, and it sounds like CH in English. T. Soft consonant is T, and aspirated is T. Can you notice the difference? So if I put vowel R to soft consonant, that is 차, and if I put it to aspirated consonant T, that is 차. In the same way, listen. 저, 처, 조, 초, 주, 추, 제, 채, 제, 채, 지, 치, 즈, 츠. I think it is easier than previous ones. So grab your napkin close to your mouth. We will practice soft consonant first and then aspirated consonant with basic vowels, okay? 자, 차, 저, 처, 조, 초, 주, 추, 제, 채, 제, 채, 지, 치, 즈, 츠. There are two-way writing aspirated consonant 츠. First, you make a tiny line on top and horizontal line under the tiny line, and then from the middle of the horizontal line, draw two diagonal like English alphabet V upside down. And another way, which is more convenient and popular, is that make a tiny line and draw a curved line just like soft consonant K, and draw a short diagonal from the middle of the curved line. I recommend you to write this way because it is more suitable for handwriting. But both ways are okay, they are the same thing. Now it's your turn to write your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's quick review what we learned this lesson. We learned 4 aspirated consonants comparing to soft consonant. I will show you what we learned today. Ka, ko, ko, ku, ke, ki, k. Next, ta, to, tu, te, ti, t. Next, pa, po, pu, pe, pi, p. Last one, cha, cho, chu, che, chi, ch. Okay, all done. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye for now. 감사합니다.